I'm Chris Palmer with ChrisPalmerMarketing.com, here to answer, is GSA search engine ranker lists harmful? Can it hurt you? Well, GSA search engine ranker, the tool, is an automated link building software. The GSA seraa list that I have available for you is to help you build backlinks faster. Now, the list itself and the tool itself are not harmful. It's not going to harm you. However, when utilized incorrectly, pointing these types of backlinks at your homepage or primary service pages, pointing automated backlinks of any kind to anything that means a lot to you and your business can be harmful. And yes, it can hurt you. You could get a manual action. So you want to be as safe as possible when building backlinks with GSA SER, whether you're building them with our list or not. Automated link building to your homepage or service pages or any page that you never ever want to see any type of action on or have any trouble with is highly not recommended. So the tool itself and the AA list aren't going to hurt you, right? But if you're pointing these types of backlinks directly at your homepage or any pages that mean a lot to you, I would highly refrain from that. Utilize this tool for backlink building to your tiers, for powering up guest posts, powering up your citations, powering up your press releases. Pointing these automated list links to your homepage and service pages is highly not recommended. So I hope this answers the question for, is the GSA AA auto-approve list going to hurt you, or is it spammy? The answer is it can be, depending on how you use it. Hopefully this helps you out. I'll see you in the next video.